If we knew what we're doing, it wouldn't be called research by Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein quote, "If we knew what we were doing, it wouldn't be called research," captures the very essence of what it means to explore, discover, and create new knowledge. Although the statement sounds humorous, it carries a profound truth about the relationship between research and uncertainty. Research by its nature exists because there are things that we don't know, not yet understand. Einstein's word reminds us that uncertainty is not a flaw in the process of discovery. It is the foundation. Research always starts with questions that do not have clear answer. If everything were already known, there would be no need for investigation or experimentation. In this sense, uncertainty is the starting point of all research. It drives curiosity and motivates individuals to seek answers. Scientists, scholars, and thinkers move into unknown territories precisely because they accept that they do not yet know the outcome. Therefore, uncertainty is not a barrier to research. It is very reason for existing. Embracing the unknown as a path to discovery, Einstein quote also highlights the importance of embracing the unknown. In the process of research, mistakes, failed experiments, and unexpected results are common. These moments of uncertainty are not signs of failure. Rather, they are opportunities for learning and innovation. Accepting uncertainty allows researchers to remain open-minded and creative. True discoveries often come from accident, surprises, or observations that defy expectation. Uncertainty becomes a vital part of the journey toward new understanding. Beyond scientific research, this quote also reflects a broader truth about life. Growth, whether personal, intellectual, or emotional, often happens when we step into unfamiliar situations. Trying something new, pursuing a different path, or exploring an idea without knowing where it will lead requires courage. Einstein's statement can therefore be interpreted as encouragement to embrace uncertainty in all aspects of life. It is through uncertainty that people learn, adapt, and create new possibilities. There is also a philosophical dimension to Einstein's world. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. Every discovery leads to new questions, and every answer reveals deeper mysteries. Uncertainty therefore never disappears, it simply shifts to.